Given a rational function with zeros at x equals 8 and x equals negative 5, a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 8, and a whole at 2, which of the following could represent the factored form of this function? All right, so let's build ourselves what we have. If it has a 0 at 8 and negative 5, that means you're going to have parentheses living in the numerator only. And the factors that you're going to build are going to be factors whose 8 and negative 5 make this whole thing equal to 0. So the only way that would work is if you have 8, you're going to make a factor of x minus 8, the opposite. If you have negative 5, you're going to have a factor of x plus 5, the opposite. Because plugging in 8 would make you 0, plugging in negative 5 would make you 0. That's the zeros part. If it has a vertical asymptote, that means there's going to be a factor living in the denominator all alone by itself. If negative 8 would make the factor equal to 0, then positive 8 is going to have to be my factor. If it has a whole at 2, that means you're going to have upstairs and downstairs being represented. Now, if it's at 2, a number that would make a factor turn into 0 would be its opposite, negative 2 and negative 2. So this is a possible factored form of the function. So x minus 8, x plus 5, x plus 2, nope. X minus 8, x plus 5, x minus 2, check. X plus 8, x minus 2, check. B is going to be my guy. Now let's just double check the others. X minus 8, nope. X minus 5, nope. And then x minus 8, x plus 5, good, but we're missing the x minus 2 up here. So you're a nope, you're a nope, and you're a nope, and you're the yes. So B is going to be my answer.